This new car seat cover is the best I've ever owned. Installation process is a breeze. You unzip it and you just slide in the 3 panels into the 3 empty pockets. Oh, good boy. Good boy. The side zips right up, so he's secure in here. It has the window in the front so you can see me. Installation is a breeze. It comes with these 4 clips for each headrest. The 2 sides sit right up very easily, and he's just in the back seat. It saves my back seat from scratches, protects my leather, and it also has clips that you could secure his leash as well. Very easily tightened to match the length that you need for your back seat. Now this mesh window is great. It won't block the air conditioning outlet for your pets. It has these 2 great storage bags for your pet's toys and food. It is extremely easy to vacuum out dog hair and wipe off any mess. I really love how it offers these heavy-duty straps with the extra leather so they don't rip. This bed is great. It makes them feel comfortable while traveling. Overall, I highly recommend this backseat car cover for any pet owner. It's machine washable. It's very easily wiped clean. You can easily vacuum it.